Hello friends, welcome to Lane CSS tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to look at text formatting for look. Previously, we did text formatting using the font. This time, we are going to apply properties that is specific to the textual element. In this first video, we will see how to set color to the text and how to align the text. The color property assigns a color to the text. So that's the CSS property color, and you can assign foreground color to the text elements. So the text element can be a paragraph, it can be a header. So whatever element that it displays text, there this color is applicable. Text align, so that's one more CSS property. Text align property aligns the text with the containing element. Say for example, if there is a div tag and inside that if you specify paragraph, so it will be aligned inside this div tag. Or if we directly have paragraph with a body, so we can say that the text will align with the browser's window. So the text align will take values like left. So the left will tell that align the text towards the left. Right aligns the text towards the right of the parent or the browser window. Center keeps the text in the center of the parent or browser window. Justify expands the text to fit the entire width. Say for example, let's state that without justify, if text is aligned like this, what happens? This will add, justify will add more space so that it will fit the entire window. So instead of drawing the picture here, it will be good to go to demo and that time explore how the justify works. You will see the difference clearly there. So font family, you already know, we used that in our previous sub-series. Color, this time if you see for P paragraph, any paragraph tag containing the class attribute align is set with this attribute. The first attribute is font family. Second, we are assigning a color for the text. Then we are setting text alignment towards not center or right. Here we are stating the justify, that means to fit the entire parent or browser window. Alright, now let's go to the demo. Now we will create a new window, I mean the new HTML file here. Last time we looked at small caps, right? We will create one more example. So that's the name we gave. We'll put F2 just to copy the name and we will also set our interval to 2 here and we will start it. So here is our sample HTML, and if you see, we have 3 paragraphs inside the body, and we will save it. And you can see all 3 paragraphs displayed in the browser window. Now we will learn some of the text formatting using these 3 paragraphs. So if you look at the paragraph, we already have the class attribute, class equal to align, and in all paragraph we are using the same class attribute. So we can define the CSS style for paragraph as well as class like this. p.align, that means paragraph containing the class attribute align, and the rules are font family and color. You can see the font is assigned and the color also assigned here. So all of our paragraph now displays a blue color text. So next here we will use the text align, left justify, and if you see already the texts are in left justified style. Anyhow, we will save it and you won't see any difference. So that's the default. Now let's go with right aligned text, and once I save, you can see the text will be aligned towards right. I haven't yet saved it. You can see the white dot here at this, and towards the right, if you see the text is ending with different edges, right? But here if you see, all are starting at same vertical line. The moment I go for right align, I will do this save, and if you see, this time the text is right aligned, and you can see how the gap is here. Client, so giving the code to the client is not desirable. That's the sentence, right? And the gap is here because the text is justified towards the right or aligned towards the right. Let's go once again with left and just watch for this gap, as well as you can see there are multiple gap, and the vertical line, if you draw here, all weights are starting from here. So the sentence is starting from here, and the way you read is still from left to right, top to bottom, but the alignment is towards the right. So that's the text align right. Let's go once again with the left and save it so you can see the difference, right? That's a left align. Now if you go for center alignment, the text will be aligned towards the center. Let me click Control Save, and you can see how the text is aligned towards the center. Alright, so this is what called center alignment. Now let's go ahead with the left and do the justify. Here if you see, the text is fitting with the browser window at this moment, right? So left, right, all are alignments are done towards the browser window because we have only body, and the paragraph's parent is body. So that's why here everything is aligned towards the browser. Now if I use justify, and you can see, if you use justify, if you draw vertical line here and here, the text will be aligned towards both the edges. So that's the justify. So to do that, it will sometimes add more space between the weights. So now let's go ahead with justify style, and let's hit save, and you can see the difference. If you see, the text is aligned towards left as well as right, and there may be some gap between this. So the gap will be adjusted. Sometime to fit like this, it may add 2 more space or 3 more space, or it will just expand the width. Expand means the same letters will be there, the gap will be increased between 2 weight to perform the fit. So that's all. This is a justified text. So justified texts are really good for easy reading, and so left and justify are the frequently used text alignment. So now let's go ahead with a different color and finish this demo. So here we are going with brown. Click save, and you can see the text color got changed, and now the paragraphs are displaying in brown color text. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.